by your body. Without body, you cannot do any action. Is it possible? Without
by soul you cannot do? By soul?
no,
Atma.
no. Because if you in that stage, then you can speak.
Yes, but conditioned state. Yes.
No, because in this world, mundane world, you do everything through your gross body. As the father, mother, they are taken your food, everything. But you sin. You sin that your father, mother taken the foods which you offer them. No. Yet you are offering. According to our Shastra, we are offering. Because she is coming and taking. But the bhav of these things. Otherwise, they come your house and they told in slumber. You listen in your dream, not in gross body. In the stage of Sukshma Sharir, you listen. When the gross body was sleep, yet the subtle body work. So we cannot perform the duties without gross body, stool body. So called in Shastra, Sharira Madhyam Khulu Dharma Sadhana. It is the first thing for Dharma Sadhana. Perform that. And if your body engage with that, then your mind also. Because mind is
controlling the senses, and where senses go, mind also goes.
So, I have to offer my father, mother, everything. And I serve them through mantra, because the mantra is the transcendental sound. And according to science, there is no restriction opening regarding this matter. You can destroy anything. No. It may transfer to other form, but not destruction. Then why the jiva? It is always existing principle. Jiva means Ichcha, Kriya, Anubhuti. That is called Jiva. If the Ichcha, Kriya and Anubhuti is disappear, then the body is
inactive. Dead.
Body is dead. Body is dead, not the man is dead. We act, the body is dead, but our action is not like that. Because when the soul with body, then we respect and offer foods and everything. And when they left this body to finish the body according to your process, you may finish it by fire, or you may keep it under land, earth, with salt, lime, everything, because you know that this body is
not the person.
not the person, and as this body is a gross thing. So if it was not in under earth, then bad smell come. The bad smell come because the Atma, soul, left it, left the body. So nobody can respect the gross body. He may be theistic or atheistic. Nobody can. And this body was not allowed for vote. But if you are ill, then you go to the booth and your vote was cast through the election officer. You cannot able to cast your vote in the vote box, but according to your order or advice, request, that the man was said and cast the vote. Ill is allowed, but dead is not allowed. That very day, one man was died. If you go to the booth with that person, they allow. Not allow. So nobody can allow it. Even China, they are communist. They told Dharma is
Poison.
poison, is opium.
Right.
But they are allowed to keep the body of their leader Mao Zedong in China. They called is the eye of 80 crores of China. But when the soul was left the body, then it is not eye of anyone. And his wife is not accepted as a leader or anything. If he was a king, then his wife was respected. But they are not. The past few days, they are not declared that Mao Zedong was dead. After settle all things, then they declare. He left his body. He go to the heaven. Then the people, reporters of the paper, they told, you are not believe about heaven, Vaikuntha and everything? No, it is another heaven. What heaven? No reply. So, if you are not believe God, if you are not believe the Shastra, you are stop your way, because that is a blind lane. Blind lane. You know blind lane? You know, the lane was closed.
The road closed.
Closed. That is blind lane. You cannot ahead that way. That is blind lane. So there are no answer. So many Shankar, the followers of Shankaracharya, they are like that. When Tamal Krishna, the disciple of Swami Maharaj, that is in Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, that time he quote, Chari Varna Swami Jodi Krishna nahi bani, Sakal ma parilo, korilo se robe pari. Those who are not Sat Krishna, they are go to hell. Then the followers of that month, the opposite, those who are perform Ganesh, they are going to hell. Those who are perform another demigod, they are going to it is the Siddhant of a mad. They reply, I know from the preliminary books, that is Gita, Janti Deva Brata Devan, Pitrin Janti Pritibrata, Bhutani Janti Bhutejja, Janti Madhyadi Nopi Mam. I know. But Antavan tu phalam tesam tad bhavati alpame dhasa. Understand? No. They are foolish, stupid. But Sanskrit is a very polite language. Alpame dhasa. इनका दिमाग थोड़ा कम है.
Little intelligent.
हाँ, little not foolish, intelligent, लेकिन little. Why told? Row with Ponimaji, go to the hill. Antavantu phalum tesam. Their fruit is not durable. Result is not durable. They have to return. According to Gita, Khine punne martulokam visanti. Understand? No. Khine punne. When your good, the result of good work was finished, then you fall. It is good. So, those who are follow service, worship Krishna, they are not fallen. Our soul is fallen soul, but they are not. Jadagatta no nivartanti tadhama parama. That is my residence, where if you reach there and never return, and that the place is eternal, it is perpetual. Then they told they are mlechs. They have no right to talk about Gita, Shastra and anything. Then another question arises. If the Jeev is Brahma, then who is the mlecha? Jiva Brahma Ivana Param. That is called blind lane. No answer there. Any answer? No. So many punts like that. Another is Samaji, Arju Samaji. They call temple, but no deity, no pratima. They told, they placed the signboard, no tata pratima vidyati. Understand? No. The God have no any form, pratima. God is everywhere, but not in pratima. Because I am not allowed. I am not allowed him to go in pratima. He go everywhere, but not accept pratima. Is it correct? And the Muslims, they call Allah is Almighty. But He cannot appear as a person. He has not that might, Almighty. But that kind of mind is absence. Because I am not giving this power. So, you are creator of the God. Why told like this? There is no answer. previously traveled everywhere and so many questions. But they are stopped there. No answer. They told, Jiva Brahmaiva Naparam. If all are Brahma, then who are horizon? Is there any horizon? Brahma, horizon. That is the cause of the branch mott of Swami Maharaj in Hyderabad. Because they are very sectarian. The scheduled castes are not allowed in any temple. They are not allowed with kirtan. So they are agreed and they offered land to Swami Maharaj to start a branch mott there in Hyderabad. So the teachings of Lord Chaitanya is ever. Nobody can change it. Is Siddhanta. But the other Siddhanta, like bird, flood are staying. Within a short time it was finished. Like that, they were finished. Not ever existing principle. All the Mayavadis change to Vaishnava Dharma. But no change in the Vaishnava. They are like to finish. Ramanuj, followers of Ramanuj. But it is not possible. Because their Siddhanta is permanent. Now, in the Deccan, the Ramanuj Vaishnavas everywhere. They perform the puja, all temple, not Madhya or others. Because Madhya accept only Brahmins. And Ramanuj accept all. With 5 sanskar, diksha, नाम तो कर गए दीक्षा एंड तिलक नान एंड पंच संस्कार so many. all over south, you see Ramanuja Vaishnava. Very few Madhva Vaishnava. Madhva Vaishnava in Udupi. Although Shankaracharya performed Kirtan, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudha Mate. And he start Murti Puja. Because Murti was removed from the temple by the Buddhist, not Buddha, Buddhist. And Shankaracharya replaced the deities from Alokananda, Badrinarayan, and started puja there. That time he told Sadhukanam hitarthayo Rupa kalpate. Sadhukanam hitarthayo. Because from the beginning you are not able to
meditate on impersonal.
So he performs. But he told Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudha. They told that the ultimate goal is Shiva. But Shankaracharya, what told? No, Shiva, Ganesha, Devata, they are all worship Lord Jagannath. Brahma Shiva Ganesha Chita Padau Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu Me. Who told this? In Sri Shailam. The Kapalik or arrest Shankaracharya and like to sacrifice in front of the Devi. It is created by the Shankaracharya. And he remembered his disciples, they rushed there. Pray, our Gurudev? No. I sacrificed it in front of the Devi Brahmaramba. Then Shankaracharya told them, you perform the stop of nursing Bhagavan. Because Ausade Chintayit Vishnu Bhojane cha Janardana Sayane Padmanavancha Vivahe cha Prajapati Yuddhe Chakratharam Devam Prabhase cha Trivikramam Narayanam Tanuttage Sridharam Priyasangame Duswapne Smaragovindam Sankate Madhusudam Kanone Narasingha Kavuki Jalo Sai Jalo Madhye Paravancha Padbate Ruhunandan Gamane Vamananchaiva Sadbakar Jesu Madhava. You remember nursing Bhagavan by this. So, till in the temple of Nagarjuna, temple of Mallikarjuna, they perform the stop every day. Then Narsingh Bhagavan finished the Kapalik and said Shankaracharya. Because Shankaracharya is Shankar. He appeared in this world to establish Veda by the order of Lord. Mayavadam asasastram prachanno buddhamurti kalo brahmanamurtina. So he appeared in this world in a Brahmin family, Nambudri Brahman family in Kerala. So till the Pujari are from Nambudri Brahmin in Badrinath, but that Brahmin should be Brahmachari, not Grihastha. So when there is no Pujari, then the committee apply Kerala government to supply Nambudri Brahman for the Pujari of Badrinath. No, fact. There. You know the history of Shankaracharya? Shankaracharya was catched by crocodile, and Shankaracharya told his mother, the crocodile told me, if you allow me to take sannyas, then they will free me. What is your opinion? Then his mother immediately called, you took sannyas. You can't take sannyas. Then this. So, in a very tender age, Shankaracharya took sannyas. And Madhvacharya also, very tender age, he became a sannyas. He is very powerful. He is the incarnation of Bhima. Most powerful. Is there anything? Yeah.
Yesterday, Maharaj, you were saying in Harikatha at the end about doing Gayatri according to sun, something. We could not understand properly.
Huh?
You were saying at the end of Harikatha yesterday about doing Gayatri according to sun. And we could not understand what you were saying. That before sunrise or something was.
No. Gayatri Japa in
Purushottam.
Huh?
Purushottam.
Purushottam. Purushottam means sun is Krishna. So all are Krishna. It may through sun or other, because this man, Krishna is Purushottam, a sun.
Sun.
Krishna is moon. Krishna is everything. Because when the government dissolve the Mantri Sabha, then who will control the Rajya?
King.
King. He is finance minister, he is defense minister, he is home minister, he is health minister, he is everything.
सामने में क्या है?
और इसको कौन कौन चाहे देखो, ये क्या है? अच्छा, जो you took it?
No, not yet.
Huh?
Not yet.